Hi, I'm Derek, owner of Amber Valley Construction. If you've ever been frustrated by unexpected change orders that throw your remodeling project off budget, you're not alone. Unfortunately, it's a common problem in the construction industry, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'm going to explain how our Zero Builder Change Order Guarantee eliminates surprise costs by thoroughly planning and estimating every aspect of your project. From the box of screws to the finishing touches, we ensure that everything is accounted for before construction begins. One of the biggest complaints we hear from homeowners is how common change orders are during construction. These unexpected costs can arise when something wasn't planned for, wasn't included in the bid, or gets interpreted differently during the build. You start with a budget and a vision for your project, but before you know it, you're getting hit with extra cost for things that weren't included or accounted for. This can cause stress, delays, and even force you to cut corners to stay within your budget. The truth is, most change orders happen because the project wasn't thoroughly planned from the start. But with the right planning and attention to detail, they're completely avoidable. And that's exactly what we do with the Zero Builder Change Order Guarantee. So why do change orders happen? Most of the time, it's because the planning stage wasn't done with enough detail. Contractors often provide vague bids with incomplete plans, leaving room for interpretation during construction. For example, you might have a plan that says, install kitchen cabinets, but without specifying the type, brand, finish, installation method, the final cost is up in the air until the contractor makes decisions during the build. And that's where the extra charges come in. The root cause is a lack of thorough planning, which allows for ambiguity. When things aren't clearly defined in the plans, the contractor and tradesmen are left to make decisions on the fly, decisions that could cost you extra. The solution is simple: meticulous planning and full transparency. At Amber Valley, we provide a Zero Builder Change Order Guarantee that eliminates surprise costs by ensuring everything is planned and documented, down to the smallest detail, and before the project even starts. Here's how we do it. First, we plan the project down to the box of screws. We provide a line-itemed estimate that includes the cost of every material, either at retail or, where applicable, with our contractor discount, without any markup. This means you know exactly what you're paying for each item, from the paint on your walls to the nails in your floors. Next, we produce a highly detailed drawing that show exactly what's being changed, added, or eliminated in your home. These drawings leave no room for misinterpretation. Everything that will be built, removed, or modified is clearly marked so that there are no surprises once construction begins. But we don't stop there. Our spec sheet is what really sets us apart. Every piece of material is itemized and cross-referenced with the drawings. The spec sheet includes the exact item, model number, color, finish, size, quantity, and even the method of installation. We detail where each material is going, the exact location in the house, and its reference in the drawings. This level of detail eliminates any ambiguity. Whether it's color of your bathroom tiles or the size of your windows, it's all planned and documented before construction begins. By doing this, we ensure that your project is built exactly as planned, with no hidden costs or changes along the way. With everything accounted for in advance, we can provide you with an exact bid, one that holds the contractor and tradesmen fully accountable. There is no room for misinterpretation or cost adjustments later. This is how we guarantee no change orders. By creating a detailed plan and spec sheet, we hold everyone accountable, from the general contractor to the tradesmen working on your project. Everyone knows exactly what's expected, and no one can claim that something wasn't planned or specified. For example, if we specify the exact brand and model of a faucet, the contractor can't swap it out for a cheaper version without your approval. If we outline the specific size and material of a window, the installer has to follow those instructions to the letter. This also means that if something isn't right, if a material doesn't match the spec or isn't installed as planned, we can quickly identify the issue and fix it. There's no debate about what was supposed to happen because everything is clearly documented from the start in your contract. So, what are the benefits of our Zero Builder Change Order Guarantee? First and foremost, it gives you peace of mind. You know exactly what your project will cost before we even break ground, and you can rest assured that there won't be any surprises along the way. Second, it ensures that you get exactly what you pay for. The level of detail in our plans and spec sheet guarantees that your project is completed to your specifications, down to the smallest detail. To recap, our zero builder change order guarantee is built on thorough planning, transparent material pricing, and detailed specifications. By accounting for every detail before construction begins, we can eliminate the possibility of change orders and provide you with an exact, reliable project cost. With everything clearly planned and documented, we hold ourselves and our trades accountable to ensure that your project is completed exactly as we promised, with no surprises. If you're tired of unexpected costs and surprise change orders to your home projects, it's time to work with a contractor who guarantees full transparency and accountability. At Amber Valley, our zero builder change order guarantee ensures that your project will be completed exactly as planned with no hidden costs. Check out our YouTube channel for more tips on planning your next home remodel or construction project, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful advice.